here's how to make the popular fruity Nigerian mocktail Chapman. So starting off with some Fanta, we're going to add 500 milliliters, which is a small bottle. If you want to limit the amount of sugar you use, then definitely go for Fanta Zero. Then we're going to add in 500 milliliters of Sprite, and then we're going to add one of the key ingredients, which is the grenadine. It gives the drink its colour and it also adds some nice sweetness. We're also going to add in a tablespoon of Angostura bitters, which is also a key ingredient. Finally, we're going to start with our garnishing. So we're going to get a fresh taste from some chopped cucumbers, and then we're going to add in some further sweetness by garnishing with some limes and also squeezing in the juice of 1 lime. You can also garnish with some lemons, you can garnish with some oranges. There are very many takes and very many citrus fruits that you can use. Finally, I garnish with some mint leaves. Serve with lots of ice and enjoy this delicious drink, especially during sunny summer days like this. If you like this video, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.